In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do Earth Zoom effect on CapCut. This dramatic zoom is the one you see in travel reels and cinematic intros, where the camera seems to fly from outer space straight into your scene. We'll keep it simple and clear so you can recreate it in minutes. First, open CapCut. You can use the desktop editor or the mobile app. The steps are the same. When CapCut launches, head into a new or existing project so you can see your timeline. If a pop-up asks about permissions or updates, just allow what's needed so all effects load properly. Next, add your video. Import the clip you want to zoom into and place it on the timeline. If you're aiming for a clean, punchy reveal, pick a segment where your subject is still or easy to spot. Trim the clip so the moment you want the zoom to end is clearly visible. This makes the effect feel intentional rather than random. Now click Effects. On desktop, you'll find effects along the left or above the timeline. On mobile, it's typically at the bottom toolbar. Make sure you're in Video Effects, not Body Effects. This ensures the effect applies to the entire frame, which is what you want for a global Earth zoom look. From there, choose Motion. The Motion category groups dynamic transitions and camera moves, and that's where the Earth zoom lives. If you don't see it right away, scroll through the list. Sometimes it's grouped with similar zoom effects. Finally, click Earth Zoom to apply it to your clip. You'll see an effect layer appear on your timeline. Drag the edges of that layer to control how long the zoom lasts. Longer duration gives a smoother, more gradual pull-in from space. Shorter duration creates a fast, energetic punch. Tap or click the effect settings to fine-tune options like intensity and speed if they're available in your version of CapCut. Play your timeline to preview, and adjust until the zoom lands right on your subject or beat. A few quick tips to polish the result. Keep your subject centered so the zoom feels focused. If your clip is handheld and a bit shaky, consider light stabilization before applying the effect, and match the zoom to music or a sound rise for extra impact. If the zoom feels too aggressive, soften it by extending the effect layer or lowering intensity. That's it. Open CapCut, add your video, go to Effects, choose Motion, and apply Earth Zoom. With a couple of tweaks to timing and intensity, you'll have a sleek, cinematic Earth Zoom ready to impress.